Hello. Good evening, class. So, ngayon, pag-aralan naman natin kung paano ang subtraction of polynomials. So, meron tayong given. So, minus. Ang given natin ay 3x plus 2 minus 2x minus 3. So, ano yung unang hakbang? Ang unang hakbang ay tatanggalin natin ang parentheses. So, paano natin matanggal ang parentheses? Kailangan muna nating i-distribute ang negative sign. So, first, copy natin ang 3x plus 2 and then minus, since positive 2, so minus our negative times positive is negative. So, magiging minus 2x. And then, negative times negative is magiging positive. And 3. So, okay na. Now, the second is hanapin at pagsamahin ang like terms. Alin ba dito yung like terms? So, yung like terms natin dyan is ano ang ibig sabihin ng like terms? Dapat pareho ang variable and exponent ng variable. So, ito yon 3x and 2x. Copy natin dito. 3x, negative 2x. And then, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Solve natin. 3x minus 2x is, baka sabihin nyo naman, 1x. So, hindi na natin sinusulat yung 1, di ba? So, yung 3x minus 2x is x. It's simply x. And then, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And then, isulat na natin in one polynomial. Magiging x. Since positive 5, so x plus 5. So, ito na yung sagot. So, that's how we do the subtraction of polynomials.